Hey, what's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video here, and today we're going to be going over a couple more cases for the Honor View 10. So here we have the blue version. It is going to be coming to the US, so stay tuned for that announcement and information. Here we have two Tudia cases, both of which were provided to me by Tudia, so huge shout out and thank you to them. And you can be picking these up on Amazon if you so wish. So first we'll start off with the Tudia Arch case. So this comes in a couple different colors. I selected the frosted clear, just so that way you can still kind of see the color of the phone through the case here. Before we slap it on, let's go ahead and go over the case real quick. We have your buttons with slight raised buttons there, with slight cutouts. Some grippy texture on the side, which is nice. Minimal Tudia branding there. Speaker, charging port, headphone jack cutout. More of that same grippy type ridges and bumps. Cutout for your camera sensors, flash. Cutout for your IR blister and mic. And then the inside is just, this is a TPU. It feels very soft. And then back here we just have a small little line for some design there. So we slap it in, and there we are. Buttons feel about the same as they would if you didn't have a case, so that's good. So we'll have that slight clickiness and things like that. You see some of the blue, but not as much as I was hoping for, actually. Some of the phone shines out through there. So plenty of coverage. The cutouts are all good there. Down here, everything is centered, which is good to see. And then there is a lip up on the front. I currently don't have a screen protector besides the one that came pre-installed on the phone, as you can see here. And this does not interfere with that, which is always good. And if you do have a tempered glass screen protector, I don't have one, but it may interfere depending on how large the tempered glass comes up to the edge. But good feel in the hand, that grippiness on the side, these little ridges textured, definitely adds a good feel to the phone. And you are going to get drop protection as well on the corners, and you can see here these three little extra padding. That way if it's dropped, that's part of Tudia's mark on these TPU cases. Next up, we have the merge case. Again, be picked up on Amazon. These are roughly about the same price, $8 or so. Here we have the black variant, which comes in two pieces. So we have a TPU case, which the phone will be sitting in, and then we have a hard plastic matte soft touch kind of shell that will go and snap around on the back. So we have your buttons similar. The texture on the side are just these little lines, which is not too rough, and it's just very minimal. We have your cutouts as always, as you would expect. And then you have your soft touch hard plastic back. Let's go ahead and throw this one in there instead. So I like to put buttons first, makes it a lot easier. And you can just slide that in like such. There you go, there's the Tudia merge, which the blue peeks out through the front and on the back around the camera. The buttons don't have as much feedback, but they still are easy to press. This one feels more slippery. It's not as grippy as the other one. This has a very round, smooth finish here. So to be honest, this one has a little bit more grip. So you still have that same raised front, which is good. You're gonna get the drop protection. So both of these cases are gonna be good, much better than the stock case that comes with the phone. So I would definitely recommend picking one of these up if this suits your look that you enjoy. But this is gonna be much more professional, looking bulkier. I would say maybe more resistance to drops. This back matte finish will definitely pick up some greasy fingers if you eat or something like that. So just be mindful of that. But I like this one more just because the button feel is a little bit better, and I just enjoy more of a clear frosted look than this. So again, picking these up on Amazon, I'll leave the links down in the description. If you guys have any comments or questions, as always, leave them down in the section below, and I will do my best to answer them. Thank you all for watching. This was Chris. Take care, guys.